Well, Emma, it's what's in the box time. Shall we have a look?
It's exciting. Live plants, open now. So quick.
Ooh.
Right, what have we got?
Who's it from?
It's from Plants4Presents.
Oh, what do they do?
This company sell a lot of quite unusual plants, make good gifts. They do a lot of citrus fruits, a lot of unusual plants that you can grow sort of in your greenhouse. And
have a look.
And this one looks like it's hang on. I don't know whether.
Oh, hang on.
Hang on.
Okay,
There's a bit of paper. I think we might have to.
Not the best way to pull a plant out, but there we go.
This is clearly a lemongrass.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that's a really good specimen. Look at that. You can actually harvest some of those now. Look at those lovely thick stems. And obviously lemongrass is used in a lot of sort of oriental cooking, isn't it?
Yeah.
And curries, which is we're going to be doing a video
later
soon of making a curry using lemongrass.
Shall we see what else is in
It's
here?
a very healthy plant.
Right.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Is that the turmeric or?
That looks like the ginger.
That's the ginger.
Yeah. No,
Lovely,
that's a good plant. I mean, these are quite tender plants. I mean, you can grow them outside in the summer, but really they grow much better in a polytunnel like we're in now. But these, I mean, this company are great in that you can sort of buy them and they come literally just like this,
all done,
all potted up, and a good specimen, good size, good for presents for people.
Different, isn't it?
Yeah, but I mean the thing is, you grow them. I think if you grow a plant like this, you sort of basically harvest it once a year. You sort of basically tip it out of the pot, harvest a few, then dry them off, and then you replant it and grow them on.
Look at the roots on that.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's a really healthy plant, that.
Yeah.
Super.
Excellent.
And I think there's more. Hang on, is there?
You got?
Oh, nice little bucket. Isn't it?
Oh, that's the pot for the lemongrass.
Oh, is this the curry leaves? Is it?
Oh yes, they've sent us some samples of leaves to go in our curry that we're going to make later.
Yeah.
So we've got kaffir leaves, which is a citrus. It's a citrus plant, which will give a lovely flavour to the curry. They've also sent. I've got bits of leaf all over. Let's put that down. They've also sent. Oh, I see, because it's dyed back. This is the turmeric.
That's the turmeric. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, look at it.
Turmeric is very popular at the minute. It's got a lot of health benefits, and it has unfortunately it has died back at this time of year. It doesn't normally look like this in the summer, but it has leaves that look a bit like an aspidistra, like that classic house plant.
Oh.
So it's a good one to grow. You can grow it in the house or in the greenhouse, and then you obviously lift it and harvest a few of the roots for your turmeric.
Yeah.
So there we go. Some really interesting plants from Plants4Presents.
Oh, I can smell those as well.
Yeah.
Lovely.
And we'll be making a curry with these.
Very
so
shortly.
check out our video on making a curry with them.